Hello, this is Kush Sharma from smoothblogging.com. Welcome back to the blogging tips series of videos, and in this video we'll talk about something that can be a big obstacle for people before they even start their blog, or if they have started the blog, this can be a big obstacle towards being fully enthusiastic in developing the blog that you've started. Okay, so this obstacle is the need or the desire to be perfect. Okay, so let's talk about how you could get rid of this need. Okay, the first point is, don't think that you have to be someone special to start a blog, because you don't have to be, because no one is special. Okay, if you look at it, it often happens that people look at great blogs, blogs which have been there for many years, established blogs that get millions of visitors. Okay, you can feel a little intimidated by these blogs. Okay, but there's no need to think that the people behind these blogs are someone special. They're just ordinary people who've just stuck with the thing that they started. They've had the courage to stick with something that they started years back. So just that they've spent a lot of time in this field and they've got good at it, just like anyone would in any field. Okay, so, but they're not special people. They're just like you and me. They're ordinary people with an idea in mind who just started and never stopped. So that's all you have to be like. Okay, you don't have to be someone special, because no one is. The second point you have to keep in mind is, let go of your fears and develop an action mentality. Now this is very true for people who, when they start a blog, once they have set up everything, they've thought of the topic, when it comes to actually putting in content, they never do it, because they're very scared that they have to have the perfect content to put out there. It's going to be read by a lot of people. So that fear comes into you. You start thinking, am I even worthy of writing content like this? Or you start thinking, is this really beneficial for my visitors? There's a lot of thoughts and doubts that go into your mind, and I'm telling you that you just have to get rid of these fears. No matter who, the best thing you can do is just go ahead and write that piece of article, or make that video, or whatever your content is. Just go ahead with it and put it. The first time you'll do it, you'll see the confidence you get from doing it. It doesn't even matter whether the content is great or not. Just do it for the first time and this fear will just go away. So you have to develop that action mentality. Don't try to be perfect when it comes to content. No blog that is out there had their content perfect when they started out. It's all something that you learn as you do. But if you never do, you're never going to learn. So you learn along the way. Once you start, that's the only way you're going to learn. So it's something what they call as ready, fire, aim approach, as opposed to ready, aim, fire. Okay, so basically that means you ready yourself and you fire without aiming at anything, and once you're fired, then you can adjust your aim. Okay, so just let go of your fears and write that piece of content no matter what is going on in your head. The third advice I have for you is that you don't have to be perfect, because no one is. Okay, so I'll give you this example of myself when it comes to making these smooth blogging videos. Now, many people tell me that we've seen your videos and you just don't come across as someone who's very eloquent. You make too many mistakes while speaking, and I'm perfectly fine with that. I know I can do a much better job if I were to rehearse everything properly, if I were to write what I'm speaking beforehand, so I know what I have to speak. But then the question is, will I enjoy doing that? Because to me, giving value to my visitor is not about my eloquence. It's about what I'm giving. It's about the content that I'm giving to you. Even if if my grammar is not perfect, if my way of speaking is not perfect, I know I'm going to lose some visitors. Some people might not like to listen to me, but that's not the value towards which I'm working. I'm working towards letting people know how to make a blog and how to develop a successful blog. Okay, if I try to be perfect in this endeavor and rehearse everything, okay, I might get the videos, I might be able to produce better quality videos, but will I be happy doing this? No. So you have to find out what makes you happy. You don't have to be perfect because of some set standard that people follow. You have to follow your own standard. Okay, so you have to find that sweet spot where you're comfortable producing content and maintaining that blog. So you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to think that everything about your blog has to be absolutely perfect because it is reaching out to so many people. Those people who are getting some kind of value from your blog, they don't care whether everything is perfect. They just want you to be perfect as far as delivering the value that you're delivering is concerned. They don't care about the other things. Now if this blog was about how to speak eloquently, then obviously I can't, you know, not rehearse and make a video. But this blog is not about that. So you have to find out where you stand, and you just don't have to care about perfection. You just have to get on with things. So these are the 3 points that you have to keep in mind, and because this will really help you to push fear out and get the action mentality in, which is very important when it comes to blogging, especially in the initial stages. Because as they say, you know, the first step of any endeavor is the toughest. So once you cross this fear, once you cross this bridge, you'll see that things become so easy for you. You become very comfortable doing this. So I hope you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.